Did you know that most traders keep changing indicators when the real edge is testing the right conditions? I asked an AI to create a trading strategy with very specific rules, and the results surprised me. I needed a strategy for Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart. More than 60% win rate, drawdown below 20%, at least 100 trades, and a clear exit condition. The AI generated a very simple system. The backtest shows a win rate above 77%, with a drawdown below 15%. This is not a promise. This is just a tested result based on clear rules. And the interesting part is that this strategy is not limited to Bitcoin. It works on crypto like Ethereum, on Forex, stocks, and even indices. It also works on different time frames, from 5 and 30 minutes to hourly and even daily charts. So buckle up and get ready, because we are about to break this down step by step. This is a pure trend trading strategy designed to follow momentum, not predict reversals. By the end of this video, I am going to show you the backtesting results inside TradingView. But first, we will set up the indicator and go through the trading rules step by step. To understand how this works, let's start with a completely clean chart. This strategy can be applied to many assets and time frames, but for this example, we will use Bitcoin against USDT on a 5 minutes time frame. Now let's add the only indicator we need for this setup. Go to the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo signals and overlays. This is one of the most used premium indicators on TradingView. It has more than 38,000 boosts, which already tells us how widely it is tested. Before changing any settings, let me make one thing clear. Even though this indicator looks complex, we will ignore most of it. We only need a few specific components. Everything else is irrelevant for this strategy. Now open the settings. For presets and filters, we set this to none. The signal mode is set to confirmation and exits. Signal sensitivity is set to 12. Autopilot sensitivity is turned off. And the dashboard location is set to hidden. Now we move to the overlays section. We enable the trend catcher and set its value to 3. We also enable the trend tracer and set it to 3 as well. These two tools will act as our directional filters. That is it. No extra tools, no additional indicators. Before we talk about entries, let's simplify how this system works. There are only 3 things we care about. First, confirmation signals. Second, trend catcher direction. And third, trend tracer direction. If these do not align in a very specific way, we do nothing. No alignment means no trade. Now let's define the exact rules for a buy trade. This is a checklist, not an interpretation. A buy trade is triggered when a bullish confirmation signal appears. At the same time, the trend catcher must be bullish. And here is the filter. The trend tracer must be bearish. If all 3 conditions are met, we enter a buy trade. If one condition is missing, we skip the trade. Let me show you another buy example using the same logic. Bullish confirmation signal appears. Trend catcher is bullish. Trend tracer is bearish. All conditions are satisfied. This is a valid buy trade. Now let's move to the sell rules. Again, this is fully mechanical. A sell trade is triggered when a bearish confirmation signal appears. At the same time, the trend catcher must be bearish, and the filter applies again. The trend tracer must be bullish. If all 3 conditions are met, we enter a sell trade. If not, we do nothing. Here is another sell example. Bearish confirmation signal. Trend catcher bearish, trend tracer bullish. All conditions align. This is a valid sell trade. Now, let's talk about exits. This strategy uses the built-in exit signals from the indicator. When an exit signal appears, the trade is closed. No guessing, no manual decision. There is no fixed stop loss defined in the backtest. If you trade this manually, you can use the most recent swing high or swing low. You can also adapt the stop loss to your own risk management. The key point is that the entry and exit logic stays the same. Now, after looking at the sell trades, let's take a look at the backtesting results. This is where things get interesting. This strategy was tested using the LuxAlgo signals and overlays backtester. That is also the reason why the AI backtesting assistant can generate these strategies automatically. Everything you see here is based on real backtesting data. No assumptions, no manual curve fitting. So let's go through the results step by step. The strategy was tested on 138 trades. That is a solid sample size, enough to judge consistency, not just a lucky streak. We can see a win rate of more than 75%. That already tells us the system is doing its job. The profit factor is 1.93. This means winning trades clearly outweigh losing trades. Looking at the total performance, using a 10x leverage, the strategy achieved a profit of plus 24,842%, all generated by the same rules we just discussed. And now the most important part. Using a 1x leverage, the maximum drawdown stays below 30%. That means the strategy is not only profitable, it is also controlled. Again, this is not a promise. These are backtesting results based on historical data. Market conditions can change. That is why you should always test this strategy yourself. Run it on your own asset, run it on your own time frame, and only trade it when you fully understand how it behaves. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.